Ain't no way lil bro is scared of doing balloons on elite.
Okay. What we need is the new boat. Watch this. Okay. Bomb. Okay, chat, we're gonna go for the big one. Okay, we're going for the big one here, chat. Yep, that one. No, man. Fuck, man. I missed it. That was the one that I wanted. Chat, have we ever done that one before or not? He's supposed to be here sometimes lurking. He's a big one. It's a big one. You fucking loser, dude. Okay, here comes. Chat, where's the shark at then?
$39-month juice.
What is he doing?
Well, xQcl.
Are you fucking dumb? Oh, well, that's a lost fucking... That's a lost reel. Please don't do that to me. Not right now. No, I'm not in the mood for that. Let's go. Go up.
I'm sorry, Felix, but I'm gonna need half of that fish.
Oh, that's funny. Anyway, are you fucking... Dude, just stop that. Dude.
Hope
okay.
you've had a good day, brother.
Nope, no, nope. Oh my god. Okay, well, I mean, we can get whatever we can now. Or we get one of these guys and he drives me there. This guy drives, he's a driver. He'll drive me there, chat. Ooh, that's good. Oh. No! Wait, chat, he doesn't want live bait? Chat, he doesn't leave, Chat. It's the hardest in the game.
Pac-Man.
Guys, I don't understand it. Medium bait that is not alive, right? Right? Loser. Come on. I see him. It's the wrong guy. Why are you eating my thing? This guy's so fucking stupid. Look at him. He's so dumb. Why is he doing this? Oh no, that's a bad throw. Oh, that's a throw. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. I see him. No. It's gonna bomb. Oh my god.
You are. I once tried to explain to a delivery person this sound. You are. I shrugged, he said with bated breath and a puffed out chest. Still, xQcl. Hi chat. Today's my birthday, feels birthday man.
I was scared. Wait, it's the wrong size of fish? Guys, you need to understand, I got scared. I got scared because if I spam click, okay? If I spam click, okay? And he gets into the boat, I lose him. Do you understand that? You lose him because I threw him back into the water if I do that. No, come on. No, I can get rid of him.
Ain't no way, lil bro just held down the mouse button at the top of the water.
What the fuck? Did he eat my bait? This loser?
Does this mean adapter is a 30k NB now?
What?
Grind never stops, my man. Keep going, you got this.
Well, that's a big buster, but we don't need him right now. Got it. Got it.
"32 months pog. Poro PLS I do the shaky."
Come on, you loser. Come on.
Don't hold it. Hi chat, what's your favorite food? Mine is opals. Yes, I said opals. When you're in the club, don't go near that drug, or you could get
Oh!
Then you'll be in trubs. Remember to eat up your crumbs from your mums.
Oh my
She'll
god,
buy you
dude.
drums.
240 for the boat, we're almost there, chat. 12,000 more, we got the boat too, it's over. Oh my god, dude. Oh, you fucking buster. Okay, small, and then we go for medium. Can I please get a medium, please? Medium, 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 medium. Okay, okay, okay. Wait, there are 5 more boats. One is almost 4 million, brother. Wait, so we're not even close to finishing the game? Okay, I want the big one. I want the big one over there. Chat, live bait or not? I'm out of battery. I'm out of battery. I'm out of battery. I'm out of battery. Battery! Ah! I'm out of battery!
Catch the big one at the bottom, eating the tiny glowfish. It gives 800k Pagman.
Bro, I swear it was charged at 50%
Wow.
this morning. 50%, what happened? Where's the rest? Okay. Alright.
Thank you for everything xQc xQcl.
Chat, for the big one over there, is it live bait or not? You're joking, right? Right? This is a joke, right? Ah, here it comes. So this either one is good. Gotcha. Oh my god, this boss is really... Oh, he's really agile. What is this? What is happening? Hello? Oh my god, not bad. Not bad at all, chat. Not bad at all. Okay, last boat. Oh, never mind. Oh, we can go really far.
xQx, can you check out Astro Drop on Steam? I think you might like it. By the way,
there
I
are
also
so
sent you a
many
Steam key
new
to
ones.
your email. xQcl.
Oh my god, look at these, they're new chat! Okay, we need to do quests though. Kevin and Yang. Okay. That would be a medium. Where's Kevin? Chat, what is this? The ocean floor. Yo, are you okay, bitch? Yo, what is going on with this video game? Okay, here it comes. Okay, let's try to get it, chat. Guys, let's try to get the bust. Bang! Okay, here it comes. I need to go to the depths of the sea now. What is that? Stop it, please stop, please. Is that him? Is that him? It's him! It's him! Oh, you motherfucker. You are done.
Nice wig xQc, you ain't fooling anyone.
Please stop. Oh, he's being a bust, isn't he? Boom! Wrong guy. Are you trolling? What the fuck is that? No, don't do that. Oh my god.
Congrats on your 10.25 minute MC run xQc. He's never gonna beat that xQcl.
Yeah, sure, man. Funny. Okay, here it comes. Bing, bong, bang.
Chat 2B's ass
bang.
has been oh my god, I couldn't Craigasm.
Please don't do that. This is so unfun. Unless you're joking, right? Shh. Oh, chat, this is the one, chat. Wait, it's not letting me go through. Please stop, please stop, please stop. Guys, he doesn't exist!
I think it's time to act now that you're laughing at the door.
Guys, he's not there. Okay, so it's the other cavern then. It's the other cavern. Is it that?
If only that 50% meant half the stalling too. Sag.
Again, with the wrong fucking cavern. Please stop, please stop. Chat, where is it, man?
Beach, mouse, beach.
Guys,
beach,
that's
mouse.
yang, we cannot get yin. Guys, that is yang,
Mouse,
we cannot get
beach,
yin.
Mouse, beach, mouse, beach, beach, mouse, beach, mouse, beach, beach, mouse, beach.
I can't see nothing.
Beach, beach, mouse.
Oh my goodness, I'm going to panic. Oh my fucking, I tapped out.
29 months of straight juice. Wising the best for you and all of the juicers.
It's snagged. Oh my god, I can't do it anymore. Okay, chat, where is Kevin? Where? We cannot get yin and yang now because we can only get yang because yin is at the end of the island. Too far away. We need a new buff of that. Chat, where is Kevin? That's just annoying. Chat. With this boat, we can go get yin and yang. I don't believe it to be true. No, we tried it. I agree. Cabin apparently is in the seafloor. So we're gonna go to the fucking seafloor. Okay, no, it's not gonna work for me. Oh, wait! How is this not the seafloor? Oh, that's the cavern. Man, seafloor like this. Is that him? Oh my god, I think it's him. Oh my god, it's him! It's him! It's him! Boom! Oh, we can finally get a new quest. I can't believe it, dude. I cannot believe it. Cappy is the small buggy one. Alright, let's go. That looks rare as fuck, to be honest. Chat, where is it? Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave, leave! What a buster. Oh, it's really right there, right? Chat, which one is it? A tappy. Boats in deep, scattered schools. Chat, is it in the caverns? No, he bit it. I don't see him, chat. Guys, I don't see it there. Chat, where is it? I think we're too far away now. Wine! Okay, let's see it. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, there you go. Leave it. Leave it alone! Oh man, I fucking hate this shit. This is the most dog shit thing out there. What an idiotic mechanic.
I thought you were the gaming warlord. Why are you asking us for help? Chat is full of black mold.
Please stop! No, you loser. You're a loser. You are a fucking loser. Ah. Come on, come on. I see one. Boom! Okay, we need to get Trillo. Chat, who is Trillo? Oh, easy. It's the guy with the fin. I think he's green or blue. Wait for it. He has a fin on his back, right? You're a loser, man. Okay, watch this. Bing, bang, bong, wang.
24 months smile.
Chat, I don't see Trillo. That's rare, right, chat? Oh. 40k Nemo. Okay, chat, what was it again? Wang. Okay. Trillo. Trillo is the one that has a fin on his back, right? Oh, was that it? Okay, I saw it. No, I can't go get it anymore. Guys, I had a bomb. I tapped that by accident. Because I had a bomb on my thing. I couldn't get it, man. Oh, man. Oh, I had a glitched attraction. I didn't know that. It's a bug. How do I reset my beta? Like this? Oh my god. Bang! Okay, so is that very low depth? So nearly at the black part, just right before it. Okay, but I have a bomb now. Got it. Come on. You are joking. He fucking yoinked it, dude. Oh my god, I can't play this game. I'm actually gonna snap. I can't do it anymore. That is massive.
Nice.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, he's way down. Dodge this pool. These are very aggressive fishes. We are back. Don't you dare. Don't you fucking dare. Ah! Okay. Medium depth. We lose the bomb right here. Yep, that's good. Good fucking timing. Good timing.
Is the golden cap actually real, chat?
You are fucking my balls. There is absolutely no way this just happened, right? Chat, that's a hard one to catch, I'm gonna be honest with you. I had to try to trick it. I had to risk it, I just had to. Okay. Good. I should be right here. At this, yeah. Leave it alone! Boom! Oh, dude, chat, guys, I'm insane in this game.
xQc and chat. I wish you all good luck and a joyful 2023.
Bombat's pretty hard to get, chat. Guys, I have to get a rock, and I have to go get one at the bottom, right? So watch this. This is, chat, this is very difficult. Very difficult. Can I get the radar? Can I get it right now? 2 more quests for sonar. 2 more quests. Watch this, watch this. Ready, chat? This is one of the hardest things to do in the game. We go bottom, all the way to the bottom. Then we do rock. Watch this.
Goofy R.
Find a stone.
Yo.
Where? Wait, what?
Year 25 months.
Did they
ago.
patch it? Wait, chat, did they patch it?
Guys, I can't wait for 2020. Surely it will be a great year.
I need sinkings.
Much love from Switzerland. xQc and chat xQcl. Hope you'll have a great 2023.
Oh. At the bottom of your cast. Oh wow, look at that. What the fuck is it doing? Okay, so this is what we call dog shit. I'm gonna say how it is, okay? And you say whatever you want. This is a shit.
Hey brother, hop on the scored. We're running cat goes fishing scripts. Late game fishes only. Nighttime weather lobbies only.
What are you doing? Did he just do
chat,
that?
Let's all have a wonderful 2022. Oh wait, where NVM we forgot chat monk or Yellowstone monk or.
Alright, start sinking, sink. Sinkity busta, what is it doing? It's so slow. What is it doing? You need scouting. Scouting. I'm not gonna be reeling after a failed cast. Okay. You have to tell me these things, man. Otherwise, it's stupid. Oh my god. No life anymore. I can't say anything anymore. You need to catch a bomb bat and not a bomber. Wait, is he right about that? Wait. I don't know what he's saying, chat. Oh man, this is chat. This is frustrating. Wait, it's a bomb bat. What is a bomb bat? No, that is the correct one. No, I know what I'm talking about. You are no. Chat is trolling on purpose. Please, please. I'm the. Okay, finally, holy shit. Yeah, it's not maneuvering properly, it's like glitched. Okay, chat, I'm not in the mood for this today. I can't do it right now. That's the big one, we're doing, chat, we don't need it right now. Oh my god, you guys see that? That's nocturnal. Okay. We should be able to get bomb bats. There you go! There you go! Now reel without getting caught. Just don't. Do not. Talk to a girl. Oh my god, I did it.
Fucking shit. I think Yellowstone is erupting. Oh shit, I can already feel the vibration under my feet. Everyone run for your life, save yourself.
Sassy. Chat, what is sassy? This is at the bottom here, right? Seaweed. 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 Oh, that's a bonus right there. Seaweed. Dude, you're joking!
L_.
That's green skills? Please don't do that to me. I'm not in the mood for this like, at all.
xQcl.
Here comes. Here comes.
Shtuop, a duobi do. Shtuop, a duobi do. Shtuop, a duobi do. I love you. Two. No way.
Guys, is it bugged?
Slow 02 or 2. Stop. Hands up. Drop your weapon. Grossmom7L_. KXQ. What's the best movie of all time?
It's a date and only fish.
Chat smile.
Chat, this is date and only. Is that true or not? Please don't lie to me. Daytime only fishy. I give up. I give up. I give up. I'm done with it.
26.
I give up. This is fucking stupid. I'm done with it. Alright, next game.
Thank you
This
for
is,
28 months of top tier content. Listen,
Nice.
you hear that? Killers in the jungle? Nodders. Abadono wasn't lying. My house is gone, family gone, everything is gone. Run for your lives, it's erupting.
It's bugged. It's fucking glitched again, dude. Why? You're fucking trolling me. Please stop! I'm done. I'm done. Alright, that's it. Okay. Whew. Okay, let me take off the heart monitor. It's annoying me.